In this video, I'll show you how to use Capital One Shopping. First, open the Capital One app and sign in to your account. Next, look for the shopping option in the Shortcuts or Services section. If available, tap on it to get started. You'll then be taken to the Capital One shopping page, where you can browse featured deals, offers, and participating stores. Select a store you'd like to shop from and tap Shop Now. You'll be redirected to the retailer's website, where you can browse products and make your purchase as usual. If eligible, Capital One Shopping may automatically help you find available discounts, coupon codes, price comparisons, or rewards opportunities while you shop. Complete your purchase through the retailer's website, and any applicable savings or rewards will be applied according to the offer terms. And that's how you can use Capital One Shopping. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.